colleges across the country and right here in Western Massachusetts are taking a stand against sexual assault among students. Welcome to 22 News at 5. I'm Juliana Mazza. You've always heard no means no when it comes to consenting to sex. But as 22 News reporter Laura Hutchinson found out, that's no longer good enough on some college campuses.
California lawmakers are actually considering legislation that would force colleges to be more specific in their code of conduct policies. And I found out today that some schools have already made some changes to theirs.
For a long time, no means no has been a part of the sexual consent policy on college campuses across the country. But some say that's no longer good enough.
It could be difficult, especially if people have consumed a lot of drinks and their inhibitions and thoughts just tend to go away.
Lawmakers in California are considering legislation that would force colleges to adopt an affirmative consent standard. In other words, they want to know clear consent was given.
This concept of an enthusiastic yes.
22 News found local colleges are already doing this on their own. Melissa Ordendahl is updating Springfield College's policy this summer before students return. She says it's not just about defining what is and is not sexual consent, but also educating students on how to ask for consent.
What are we doing to help educate our students on how to get that? How to gain that consent, on how to have those direct conversations and face-to-face interactions in the heat of a moment where you have to be vulnerable and you have to be okay with the person saying no.
Students say it's a sensitive issue they're happy to see is being given attention.
If it is becoming more defined, that students are educated about that and they can make the right decisions when it comes to what they're doing.
Defining consent is a growing trend on college campuses. Springfield College hopes to have theirs completed before students return this fall.
And you can read the code of conduct at some other Western Mass colleges. I'm working on putting links up on our website, wwlp.com. Live in the newsroom, Laura Hutchinson, 22 News.